Today we will learn trigonometry shortcut or trick. Okay, so if like these questions come for KCT, JE main and all, how to solve. Okay, already you know how to solve these and all by method. So some short tricks I will give how to solve this one. Okay, see here, sec theta plus tan theta is equal to 2. We need to find sin theta. For this one, it is in the form of like this: sec x or sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x. If any question it is in the form, just you can use Pythagoras theorem here. So you can draw right angle triangle like this. Simply you can take 2 times of x here. So this is 90 degree, and you can take this as a x square minus 1 and this as a x square plus 1 you can take. After taking this one, so what is x here? Here it is compared to this one, x is 2. Just you can substitute here. So this will be what? 2 square minus 1. 2 square minus 1 is 4 minus 1. This will be 3, and here it is 2 into 2, this will be 4, and this will be 3. Here it will be 2 square plus 1 is, this will be 5. It will be, so hypotenuse is 5 and base is 4 and perpendicular is 3. So now what to do? How to find sin theta? You know Pandit Badri Prasad Hara Hara Bole. This is the short trick. Pandit Badri Prasad Hara Hara Bole. So this short trick, you know, by this one you can say that this is sin theta. Sin theta is nothing but perpendicular by hypotenuse. This is your cos theta. This is your tan theta, that is perpendicular by base. So this one is again cot theta you can say. So this one is sec theta and this one is cosec theta. So reciprocal, this you have studied already, you know. So now by this one, sin theta is perpendicular by h. Perpendicular by h means this is your perpendicular and this is your h. So you can say here answer directly, you can say that answer is sin theta is equal to, that is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So this can be written as 3 divided by 5. So 3 divided by 5 is the answer. Okay, in the same way, if it is like this, next we will go for this. I hope you understood this one. So for all any question, it may be in the form of sec theta plus tan theta is equal to x. So you can use this method. So if it is cot x plus cosec x is equal to 5, find cos x. So how to find this one? So if any form is of cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to x, here also same thing, Pythagoras theorem you have to use. So this is 90 degree. So simply you take here 2x, now here perpendicular. Here in this case you have taken 2x as base. Here perpendicular you have to take. So if this is 2x, this will be x square minus 1 and this one will be x square plus 1. So what is x here? If you compare with this one, cot x plus cosec x is equal to 5 here. Here it is cosec theta plus cot theta is equal to x. So x will be 5. So if you multiply here, if you put x value here, 2 into 5, it will be 10. So here it will be 5 square. 5 square means 25 minus 1, that will be 24. So this will be 5 square. X is 5. 5 square means 25. 25 plus 1, this will be 26. Now again you can go for Pandit Badri Prasad Hara Hara Bole. So here we need what? Answer. So you need cos x. So this can be written as cos x, means here cos is b by h. B by h means this is your b, this is your h. So this can be written as what? B is 24. 24 divided by, okay, h. What is h here? H is 26. 24 divided by 26. So if you cut this one again, this is 2 12s are 2 13s are, you can write 12 divided by 13. This is also a can be a answer. In the same way you can find out for this also. What is that? Cosec x minus cot x is equal to 2. So it is in the form of like this only. Okay, so that you can solve this one. Same thing you can solve, so that you will get the answer 5 by 4. So in the same way, just now you go for sec theta plus tan theta is equal to n. So find n square minus 1 divided by n square plus 1. So see here, instead of x here, I have taken here n. So if you take here again, this is Pythagoras theorem, right angle triangle. So you can take this as a n, 2n, and this is a n square minus 1. This as a n square plus 1. Instead of x, we have taken n. So what is n square minus 1 divided by n square plus 1? So perpendicular by hypotenuse it is. So perpendicular by hypotenuse is what here? P by h. P by h is, here it is sin theta. So you can take here sin theta. So n square, answer will be what? Answer will be n square minus 1 divided by n square plus 1 is equal to, it will be sin theta. So this is the answer. So just you can go for this one. This is short trick. So in the same way you can go for the this one also, sec x plus tan x is equal to 4. Find cos x. You can find like this also. Now cosec a plus cot a is equal to 11 by 2. Find tan a. So by using same method, so for this one go for first method here, and this last question you can go for the second one, so that you will get the answer. So just you can comment me the answer of this question for 5th and 6th. Okay. Now this is also very important. Now see here, tan 15 degree, tan 30 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 75 degree. Now you need to solve what is the value of this one. So for this one, few things you have to remember. What you have to remember means theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90 degree. This you have to remember. One more thing, tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to 1. This you have to remember. And one more last thing, cot theta 1 into cot theta 2. This also you have to remember. If you remember this one, theta 1 plus theta means here tan theta 1 tan theta 2 is there na? So theta 1 theta 2, if you add you should get 90. If it is 90, then directly tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to 1 you can write. So now see here, now from here to here, just tan 15 and you can take tan 75. So here it is 75, here it is 15. What is 75 plus 15? 90. So you can take this as a tan theta 1 tan theta 2 as 1. So this can be 1. So similarly now you can take as tan 30 and tan 60. What is tan 30 and tan 60? Here 30 plus 60, 90. So again it will be 1. Now what is tan 45? Tan 45 is 1. So what is the value of this one? So answer is 1 into 1 into 1. So this will be answer will be 1. So like that you can say. So tan theta 1 into tan theta 2 is equal to 1 when theta 1 plus theta 2 is equal to 90. If it is happening, then you can write here 1. In the same way here also. So now what happens here? Here it is given in the next example, tan 5 theta and tan 4 theta is equal to 1. So what is they told to find here? They told to find here tan 3 theta. So what to do here? So just you can write here, this is theta 1 you can take, this as a theta 2 you can take. So theta 1 plus theta 2 should be what? 90 degree. So if it is 90 degree, so theta 1 is 5 theta plus 4 theta is equal to 90. So this will be 9 theta is equal to 90. So theta is equal to 90 by 9. So 9 ones are 9 tens are. So theta is equal to what now? 10 degree. So now you can apply here tan 3 theta is equal to tan 3 as it is, theta is into 10. So this is tan 30. 3 into 10 is 30. So tan 30 value you know already. This is 1 by root 3. Value is trigonometric ratio table, value table. So from that it will be answer is 1 by root 3. In the same way here also same thing. So 11 theta, cot 11 theta into cot 7 theta is equal to 1 is given. Tan 9 theta you need to find. So again you can take 11 theta plus 7 theta is equal to 90 here. So if you take 90, this as a theta 1 and this as a theta 2 if you consider. So this will be 18 theta is equal to 90. So theta is equal to 90 divided by 18. So what happens here? 18 ones are 18 5s are. So theta is equal to, here it is 5 degree. So this you can take answer. In the answer you can take here tan 9 theta is equal to tan 9 into theta. What is theta here? 5. So this will be what? Tan 45. What is tan 45 value? You know that it is tan 45 is 1. So therefore the answer will be 1. Okay. In the same way next one you can see here tan a plus b, tan a minus b is equal to 1. So here find tan 2a by 3. So again this as a theta 1 you can consider, this as theta 2 you can consider. So a plus b plus a minus b is equal to what? It is 90 degrees. So here plus b minus b get cancelled. So 2a is equal to 90 degree. A plus a is 2a. So a is equal to 90 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 245. So a is equal to, now you got what? 45 degree. A is equal to 45 means just you can say in the answer here. In the answer tan 2a divided by 3, this can be written as tan 2 into 45 divided by 3. So this can be 3 ones are 3 5s are. So this will be 2 into 15 now. So this will be what? Tan 30 it is. Okay, 2 into 15. So tan 30 value you know already, it is 1 by root 3. So therefore the answer is 1 by root 3. In the same way you can go for this example. So tan 1 degree, tan 2 degree, tan 3 degree and so on up to tan 89 degree will be what? Just you can solve. So see here, tan 1 theta 1 is 1 and theta 2 is 89. 89 plus 1 is 90. So you can write tan theta 1 and tan theta 2 multiplication, you can write 1. So in that way you can solve this one and you can comment your answer for this one. Okay, now again we will go for this question. If x is equal to sin theta plus cos theta and y is equal to sin theta cos theta, then x to the power 4 minus 4x square y minus 2x square plus 4y square plus 4y plus 1 is, what is the answer? 4 options are given. So by looking, this is a little bit difficult, but you know how to solve this one. But now short trick I will give you. So just you can take theta is equal to some value here. Suppose if you take theta is equal to 90, what happens here? X is equal to sin theta plus cos theta it is. So you know sin 90 is 1. So x is equal to here 1 plus cos 0 is 0. So this you can take cos 90 is 0, not cos 0. Cos 90 is 0. So x is equal to 1 you can take. Similarly, if you substitute theta is equal to 90 in y is equal to sin theta cos theta, if you substitute here, so you will get what? Y is equal to sin 90 is 1 and cos 90 is 0. 1 into 0 is 0. So y is equal to 0 you will get. If you substitute 90 here instead of theta is equal to 90, if you take, you will get here y is 0, x is 1. So just you can substitute this value here. So this will be what? X to the power 4 is 1 minus 4 into 1, y is 0. So this term will become 0 now. So this term is also become 0. This will also become 0. Idono 0 agutta. This is also 0. Okay, so now it will be again minus 2 it is, and here it is plus 1, this one. So 1 plus 1 2. So this also get cancelled. So what is the remaining here? So 0 is the answer. So just you can substitute the value x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 0 here, so that you will get the answer. So other also you can take, instead of theta is equal to 90 you can take 0 also, and you can substitute the value, you will get the answer. Now we will go for the next example. If sin square x plus sin square y is equal to 1, then cot x plus y is what? So 4 options are given here. So just here values you can take x and y. So how to take x and y, just you see here. So x value, if I put 0 here, y you can take 90. If you take 90 here, you can take 0. Here you can take 45, means x is also 45 degree you can take. So now here sin 0 is 0, sin 90 is 1. So 0 plus 1 is 1. So anyone you can take here, so that you will get here 1 value. So just you can substitute anyone you can consider here. So I will take here in cot x plus y, I will take here like this, cot 0 plus 90. So this will be cot 90. What is cot 90? Cot 90 is 0. How did you get cot 90 is 0? Because you know cos theta by sin theta is equal to cot theta, you know. So this is cos theta means cos 90 by sin 90. What is cos 90? Cos 90 you know that 0, it is 1. So 0 by 1 is 0. Like that you can take. Okay. So now one more last example we will come here. So sec a minus cos a whole square plus cosec a minus sin a whole square minus cot a minus tan a whole square is, what is the answer you have to tell. Okay, now you can consider any a value. So for simple thing I will take a is 45 degree. You can take any degree also. Okay, you will get the answer. So now if you substitute a is equal to 45, what happens here? Sec 45 is already we know that root 2 minus this is 1 by root 2 whole square it is, again plus, again you will get here root 2, cosec 45 is root 2, again minus 1 by root 2 whole square it is. Okay, so minus cot 45 tan 45. So here it is 1 minus 1, again cot 45 is 1, you know already. This will be 1, this will be 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So this complete term will become 0. So now if you take LCM here, root 2, again here nothing is there, 1 is there. So root 2 into root 2 is 2, 2 minus 1 whole square it will be, plus here it will be root 2 into root 2 is again 2 minus 1 by root 2 whole square it is. So what happens here, it is 0 means you can leave it. So now here 2 minus 1 is 1 by root 2 whole square plus 1 by root 2 whole square. If you solve this one, what happens, this will be 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. What is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2? This is 1. So answer will be A. So I hope it will help you a lot. So if you have any doubt, you can comment me. If you like this video, then you can subscribe it, share it, like it. Okay, thank you.